We are beginning tonight with Councilman Jose Castaneda taking on the city of Salinas. Today he filed a claim for damages that accuses the city of violating his civil rights. Action News reporter Bryn Whitaker is live in Salinas with tonight's top story.
Aaron, Councilman Jose Castaneda is accusing the city of discriminating against him because of the people he claims to represent. Now, he's citing those people as being the minority population here in Salinas, as well as underprivileged people here in Salinas. Here's an example of what Jose is claiming. Now, he accuses former Mayor Donahue of convincing council members to change council rules to keep Castaneda from moving his own agenda forward. Now, we reached out to the former mayor, but could not reach him for comment today. He also accuses the current mayor of taking him off of the housing committee without proper reasoning. Mayor Gunter stands by that decision, saying that Castaneda was destructive on that committee. Castaneda is asking the city to respond in 45 days to this claim. He wants the city to withdraw the censure and several other actions. Now, here's what both the city attorney and Castaneda's attorney had to say.
We feel that by imposing rules that have undercut Councilman Castaneda's ability to represent the voters, that they've essentially reverted to the same state of affairs that existed before district elections replaced at-large voting.
I think a lot of things in there represent a fundamental misunderstanding of the Voting Rights Act and a fundamental misunderstanding of California law. Just my quick review of the claim makes it pretty clear that some of the things that they're alleging aren't even actionable under California or federal law.
If the city doesn't comply, Castaneda plans to sue in federal court for damages as well as injunctive relief. They're hoping a federal court will rule to step in and stop the Salinas City Council from further discrimination against Castaneda, but the city attorney says the city is not budging. He says that these claims are not valid. He's actually going to recommend to the city council that they reject the claim altogether, meaning that Castaneda could be moving forward with this suit. Aaron?
All right, Bryn, thank you. And one more note. With a $5,000 fine hanging over his head stemming from his refusal to step down from the school board when he was elected to the city council, Castaneda is now asking for the public to help him pay for his legal fees. He and his lawyer are forming a legal defense fund, soliciting donations from across the state.